Welcome back here to the Steel City Break Room. Coming up, we have 2 boxes, just brand new, brought here to Steel City, 2015 Topps Museum Collection Baseball. Order is going out to Brad. Thank you once again, Brad, for the break. Good luck. All right, this is our first look, this year's Topps Museum release. Looking forward to get some big hits in here. Should have a few autographs. Always a big hit here. And then coming up around 2 o'clock, we have a group case break for Topps Museums. About maybe around 5 teams left. So still some good spots at good prices. Check it out at the Break Room website, and let's see if we can get you joined here to fill up the break. All right, so we're going to start off. Rusney Castillo. Next up, Madison Bumgarner. And Adam Wainwright. And the hit, we have a dual jersey autograph, Andrelton Simmons. Not numbered, going to be the dual jersey auto, Andrelton Simmons. All right. Oh, sorry about that. It's stuck there. That's the gold parallel, Steven Strasburg. Yep, forgot about that. Thanks, guys. I don't see any number there on the Simmons card. Oh my god, I'm an idiot. 192 of 299. My bad. Yeah, I guess that Strasburg card threw it off. Thanks. All right. Next up, Ryan Braun. Steven Strasburg. Felix Hernandez. And we have an autograph. It's going to be a Freddie Freeman. Numbered 101 of 199. And green parallel Paul Goldschmidt out of 199. All right, next pack, Joey Votto, Mariano Rivera, Yannis Cespedes, and we got a jumbo jersey. It's going to be Adrian Beltre, the camouflage jersey swatch, numbered 14 of 50, Adrian Beltre jumbo, and parallel is going to be blue, Yu Darvish, 19 of 99. All right, next pack, Freddie Freeman, Paul Goldschmidt. Sketch card's going to be of Don Mattingly. Just hang on with us a second, see if we come back here. All right. Canvas, yeah, it's the canvas card, Don Mattingly. And we got a nice one up next. Quad patch, Joe Panic from the San Francisco Giants. 20 of 25. Lots of nice color on that. Quad patch, Joe Panic. And then a gold parallel of Gregory Polanco. All right, nice first box, Brad. Let's move on to number 2. All right, on the first pack of the second box, Brandon Finnegan, Brandon Belt, Clayton Kershaw. Next up, autograph Brandon Finnegan. Be a 19 of 399. And the parallel is going to be a gold of Jacob deGrom. Very nice. Out of the next pack, we have Phil Niekro, James Shields, Lou Gehrig. Next hit is going to be a jumbo jersey, Tim Lincecum, numbered 1 of 50. Tim Lincecum jumbo jersey. And green parallel, David Wright, out of 199. All right, next pack is going to have David Ortiz, Jorge Soler, rookie card, Jorge Soler, Troy Tulowitzki, and next hit, dual jersey autograph, David Wright. A camouflage swatch and numbered out of 2 out of 25. David Wright, dual jersey auto. And then we have gold parallel, Madison Bumgarner. All right, let's finish up here. Last pack, 2015 Topps Museum. Adrian Beltre, Ernie Banks. Canvas Collection, Nolan Ryan. Next up, another quad jersey card. This is Gregory Polanco, numbered 77 of 99. Quad jersey, Gregory Polanco. And final card, blue parallel, Michael Taylor, 71 of 99. All right, there is our first look at 2015 Topps Museum. Brand new today. Thanks again, Brad, for the break, and hope you stick around for when we do our case break.